Thursday, September 22nd edition of the Carolina Weather Video. I'm meteorologist Matthew East here with you, and we continue to have showers and thunderstorms highlight our forecast here. And these shower chances are going to be kind of tough to shake, and I'm going to have to leave in the chance of at least a lingering shower or thunderstorm right on into early next work week. But certainly the most extensive rains and thunderstorm activity occurring probably over the next 36 hours or so. Let me go to the radar imagery. This is from 5:15 this morning, and notice pretty good coverage of some areas of rain and embedded thunderstorm activity down into Georgia and South Carolina. And there's a couple of disturbances down that way that, again, are lifting up in our general direction. So we're going to have to mention the continued chance today of some showers and storms, and also a lot of rain back in Oklahoma and Texas. That's with a cold front that's also easing our direction. The cold front is the leading edge of this nice cooler, drier air mass back here in the plains, the Midwest, but pretty soupy air ahead of that front, and that's going to be pretty tough to shake here, at least into Carolinas over the next several days. Here's the upper air chart, and this is valid this afternoon off the European model, and we're getting our big upper air low cut off and set up there over the Midwest. There's how we look by tomorrow afternoon, and notice that low is just completely cut off from the rest of the upper level pattern. Notice the main flow of winds aloft is north of this cutoff low, and so it's just going to meander for quite a while. So this is out at Monday morning, and this is all the way out at Wednesday morning. Finally, the European sags at southeast in our direction by the end of next work week. So it's just going to be a gradual process, and with the low in a position like especially this, you have to continue to see if there's any disturbances that pivot our way from the southwest, and I have to continue to mention the chance of a lingering shower or thunderstorm. Now here's the GFS valid this afternoon. Going to continue to mention a lot of clouds, chances of some showers and some thunderstorms, and it looks like we might actually see our most extensive period of rain and storms come tonight in many spots across the region, but still tomorrow there's going to be good opportunities for some showers and some thunderstorms from time to time. Now, the severe weather threat in this setup is not overly significant. There might be a severe storm or two, but it's just not a great setup for severe weather. But the bigger potential here is localized flash flooding, especially in some of the urban areas. Now, over the weekend here, this is Saturday, that is Sunday, I'm going to leave in a token chance of a shower or two, with the greater chances being the farther east you are in the region. Now, the mountains might squeeze out a mainly dry weekend, and some of that drier air tries to work into, say, Greenville, Spartanburg, the upstate there, and maybe into Charlotte, but it's just going to be a tough call there. As we get on into Monday, another disturbance moves our way, and you'll see the results of that here, especially on the GFS Tuesday. So I'm just going to leave in the chance of a couple thunderstorms for Monday and Tuesday, and see if we can better nail down the timing of these disturbances as we go forward in time. Now, the GFS does bring the drier air into the entire region here by Wednesday and Thursday of next week. But again, it's going to be kind of a painful process trying to get that drier air to work on in. Now, in the tropics, we have Ophelia, a 65-mile-per-hour tropical storm as of the 5 a.m. advisory. Let me show you some of the computer model charts, at least the plots here, the track model guidance here. And notice everything's getting into a little bit of a better agreement here. You don't really have any solutions taking this into the Caribbean Sea now. All models take this to the west and then northwest. And that's basically the National Hurricane Center forecast track as well. Now, the steering currents could very well relax as this gets up here east of the Bahamas. But I still think once it gets this far north, the most likely eventual solution is a curve to the north and northeast, maybe threatening Bermuda, but probably not threatening the U.S. And one final chart here for you. This is the intensity models. And a number of the models do bump this up a bit to Category 1 hurricane intensity. A couple even take it up to Category 2 intensity. And this could become a hurricane over the next several days. Okay, that is it for today. Thanks for watching today's edition of the video. Have a great Thursday, and God bless.